Hey! Hey, those are my donuts.
No, I'm gonna steal the whole boxes.
Come on, kid.
You have zero, none!
No, I went to the store and I just bought them.
It's just mine!
You're a scary little kid.
Okay, one.
Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
I work here.
Since when?
'Cause I am a pirate!
What's your name then?
My name is Bad Boy.
Man, you really sound like you know what you're talking about.
You're gonna be dumped into the sea. You're gonna be swept off the plane, and I don't care. You get out of this house.
That doesn't sound very fun. You have a boat?
Yes,
What kind of boat?
it's a houseboat.
You sail the high tides on a houseboat? That's actually a pretty good idea. Why don't more pirates sail on houseboats?
What's your name?
Jeffrey?
That's not a good name. You don't got that name anymore.
Fine. What's my new name then?
You're Captain Toilet, and you throw people in the sea.
I want to throw you in the sea, you little brat hole.
No! I can make you off the plane, and you're gonna be eaten up by the sharks.
This doesn't sound like as good of a deal as I thought it was.
I don't care!
And that, my friends, was the time I met a real-life pirate.
Ocean like